Guys, today I'm going to show you how to install uBlock Origin Lite on your Chrome. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So first, let's open Chrome and type in Google and type in the search bar uBlock Origin Lite, and you'll find the first link, which is Chrome Web Store extension link. Click on it. To access uBlock Origin Lite extension, you'll find the Install button here, so click on Install button. Here I already installed this extension and wait for the installation to be completed. And when you open a new window on your Google Chrome, you will find the extensions icon. Click on it, and you will find the uBlock Origin Lite already running on your Chrome Web Store. So make sure you just activate the uBlock Origin extension. Make sure you activate it. And this is how to install a Block Origin Lite, guys, if you want to get hit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.